Multiplication table of 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Multiplication means times. We are going to multiply a number by another number to give us the wacha kuandika. Madam akiongea usiandike, utaandika baadaye. So we want to look at multiplication tables of those numbers. But before we look at the multiplication tables of 6, 7, 8 and 9, we want to look at the multiplication to review the multiplication of multiplication of 2, 3, 4 and 5. But this one will not write it on the chalkboard. I am going to ask an oral question. What is 4 times 2? 4 times 2, carry up your hand and tell me the answer, Abduahid. 4 times 2 means? 4 times 2 it is? So it means you add 4 plus another 4. How many 4s? 2 4s give us 8. Give us what? Give us, what is 5 times 3? 5 times 3? Yes? Madam has only 2 years. I have only, how many years do I have? So you need to carry up your hand, then you answer. It is 15. What is 6 times 6? 6 times 6, girls. I need an answer from you. 6 times 6, Aisha? Yes, Maida? 36, 30? 30? Abdurrahman? 5 times 7? 5 times 7. 5 times 7, yes? Hamza? 35. It means you'll add 5 up to 5 up to 7 times. We add together, we get, it is 35. It is 35. Now, we want to look at the multiplication of these numbers. We did it on Friday partly, but we want to fill in the multiplication tables of 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is my chart. Hamza, please. This is my chart. This is my chart. I have filled in multiplication tables of, which number is this one? 7. And this one? 9. And this one? 10. So to fill the number 6, the space for number 6, tutapata wasichana wajaze, halafu wasichana wajaze. Sinivo? Musab, how are you? Are you fine? So we want to fill the multiplication tables of 6 and 7. Alice. Multiplication table of 6. Now, you have this table. Do you have the table? Look here on the blackboard. Look here on the blackboard. This is the horizontal side. Horizontal. I love this one is the vertical. If we want to multiply, to look for multiplication tables of 6, we are going to multiply every number that is here on horizontal side to the number with the 6. With the number, Swaib. Let us read the numbers on the horizontal line. Everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. 10. And here we have, which number is this one? 6. So we are going to multiply 6 with every number that is here for us to fill this space, and it will be multiplication table of 6. Multiplication table of, now on my side I will fill number 1. 6 times 1. What is 6 times 1? 6 times 1, it is 6. I will write here 6. 6 times 2, 12. Nazal, come and write here 12, please. Arakisha. 6 times 2, it is 12. So write number 12 here. Very good girl. 3 times 6. Abdishakur, come and write 18. Abdishakur, come. 18. 18, right here 18. 18. Is he correct or wrong? He is correct. Now what is 6 times 7? Who will give us the answer? Just carry up your hand, please. Abdullahi, Come and write here 24. Come and write here 24. 6 times. Is it 24 really? I said 6 times 7. 42. Come and write here 42. Right here 40. 42. Thank you very much. Let us clap for the 2 boys and 1 girl. Everybody clap for them. Now, the remaining space we will fill it in our books. We will fill it in our books. Now, we want to move to multiplication tables of 8. Multiplication table of, but before we move to multiplication table of 8, let us review this one of 7. 7 times 1, it is? 7 times 4? 28. Tumana 28. Ndio hii. 7 ndio hii. This is 7 times 4. Umesikia? Umeona? Haya, what is 7 times 9? Please, 7 times 9? 60? Nani hajaona hiyo? 7 ndio huyu hapa, alafu 9 ndio hii. Nimesema mimi nimeanzia hapa, Madam Melvine ameanzia hapa, huyu ni Aisha ameanzia hapa. Tukitembea wakati tunakutana, tutakutana kwa namba ya 60. Tutakutana wapi? Na hiyo ndio jibu. Haya, 7 times 10. 7 times 10? 70. Huyu anasimama hapa juu, huyu anasimama huku kando, wanatembea, wanapofika pamoja, mahali watakutana. Mahali watakutana? Tunaweza sema junction. Hapa sasa 70 is our junction. Thank you very much. Now, here I said what is 8 times 8? 8 times 8. This is 8, ndio? 8 here. Madam ameandika hapa 64. Nani atatuandikia? Mohamed. 64. Tunaanza na 4 na 6 ama 6 na 4? 6 na 4. Kaja kidogo. 64. So it is here. It is 64. It is. Clap for him. Clap for him. Now 8 times 4. It is 30. It is 30. 30. Now open your books, please. Have you opened your book? You write the date of today. But before you write, I want to ask Zakaria Osman. Hapa. Which number, if I multiply by 9, I get 18? Which number, if I multiply by 9, I get 18? Please. Angalia hapa. Uinua mkono, please. Raise up your hand. Yes. 2. I said which number, if I multiply by 9, I get 18? I get 18. Umeona kwa table ya 9? Umeona penye 9 iko? Haya, 18 iko wapi? Huyu 18, panda juu, kutana. Umepata namba gani? Which number is here? So it is the same. If I say which number, if I multiply by 9, I get 18. It's the same as saying 9 times 2. 9 times? Now, which number, if I multiply by 10, my answer is 50? Look here, please. Wait, Abdi Malik, look here. Which number, if I multiply by 10, my answer is 50? Raise up your hand, girls. Wasichana. Which number? Umeona penye 50 iko? My 50 is here. Which number, if I multiply by 10, I get 50? Yes, Rian? 5. Snivo. So saying like that, we can write it like this. I can write which number, if I multiply it by 5, by 10, ndio? It is 10 is equal to dash times dash, we get 50. Dash 10 times dash, it is 50. So the answer was? So the answer is 5. Now, which number, if I multiply by 10, my answer is 100. Look here on the chart.
10.
Yes? 10. Madam akiuliza hivyo, 10 times 10, it is 100. Which number, if I multiply by 10, I get 100. Nasema 10 times 10. 10 times 10 times. Nani hajafahamu tafadhali? If you have not understood. Zakaria? Sihab? Uko sawa? Pole pole. Nani hajafahamu? Now I want to close my chat. I want to close my chat. Chemusha bongo mbili wasichana, 2 wavulana. We. Wasichana 9 times 7. Wasichana 9 times 7. 1 minute. 9 times 7 girls. Girls. Boys. 9 times 7. I need one answer from a girl. Fauzia? 16. Boys, are they correct or no or wrong? They are correct. Boys, 9 times 9. Boys? Yes, Swaib. 80. Very good, boys. Very good. Girls, 1 times 3. 1 times 3. 1 times 3. Very good. Boys, 7 times 2. 14. Very good. 7 times 2, 14. 7 times 2. Now clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Weka manyunyu. Thank you very much. Now, take out your book. You write the date of today. We want to fill in the table. Fill in the table.